Hello my friends, I'm Buck Weezer, and this is Big Red 2003 Ford F150. It's got manual transmission, you know, stick shift. And today I got an interesting project. I'm going to change out the shifter knob. Yeah, I love this truck and I love the manual transmission, but this shifter knob, which came with the truck when I bought it a couple of years ago, you see what it is? It's like a gun barrel, and it's just not my style. It's kind of cool actually, but it's just not my style. You know, you can unscrew the top, and I guess you could put some coins in there. It's heavy metal. It's a nice item. This came from Texas. The truck was a Texas truck originally, and I don't know, somewhere along the line, the original shifter knob was changed out for this guy. And I'm going to go back to the original. Now you can buy these replacement shift knobs on Amazon, but I decided I wanted to get genuine Ford parts. So I got the genuine Motorcraft original shift knob. That guy right there. So that has the shift pattern on it, the 5-speed with the reverse. And this is kind of heavy. It's got some weight to it. Maybe that's on purpose. This is not threaded. There's no threads in there. So this just kind of slides down into place. And I guess my first step is going to have to be to take this guy off. I got a whole bunch of electrical tape going down the shaft. I don't know what I'm going to find, how they managed to put this on there, but taking that old one off is my first step. So let's get to it. So I don't know if it's going to unwrap or if I'll need to cut it off, but probably going to have to cut it. All right, not real interesting watching this, so let me spend a little time with that, and then I'll bring you back, show you what we have. Okay, wads of tape have been removed, and I have access. I see this threaded part that's stripped out, and the top is sliding off to reveal another wad of tape. What do you know about that? And I suppose we'll pry this off too. So this is not a threaded shaft as I would have expected. You know, it screws on and you have a jam nut at the bottom, but apparently that's not it. It's simply pressed onto there. All right, that guy comes off. Yeah, so this was stripped out. I guess that explains all the tape. I'm going to clean some of the residue from the tape off of the shaft, and then we'll be ready to press on the new one. I got paint thinner on a rag, and I'm using just to take off some of the sticky residue from the tape. Oh, look at that. All right, it's pretty good. All right, so let's do this. So you can see the top of the shaft is splined, and that should, when we drive the shifter knob on, that spline, those splines should keep it from spinning, so it will stay straight for us. And I've got a a rag and a rubber mallet. So we're going to stick this on. So once we have it on there, we're not going to be able to change it. We're in neutral here. That should be okay. So I'm going to put it like that so it's oriented so that I can see, the driver can see the shift pattern pretty easily just by looking down at it. I'm going to put the rag here and I'm going to drive it on and see what happens. And here we go. Ready? Well, not coming off either. Works. It's on there pretty good. I'm just going to leave it like that. I don't like the look of it here now, since it's a little paint's wore off there. But you know what? I think it might work. You all right with that? Now it's reverse. So. All right, that's it. Let's leave it like that, and we'll call it good enough. Good enough for government work. And there it is. So I'll leave the part number in the description if you want to pick up one of these yourself. And yeah, that other one just didn't suit me. This one is a lot, it's stock now. This is the kind it came with, so I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Look forward to talking to you again on our next video. Bye-bye.